Hello, my little stars, and welcome back to Tiny Talk Time. Today, we have a super fun English conversation adventure. We're going to a restaurant, and you'll learn how to order food, ask simple questions, and talk politely, just like real English speakers. And of course, I'm not alone. Right beside me is my favorite little explorer. Say hello, Leo.
Hi, Miss Lily. Hi, everybody. I'm really excited because I'm hungry.
Well, that's perfect, Leo. Hungry is exactly how you should feel when we're learning English at the restaurant. Today, we're going to imagine that you and I walk into a friendly little place. There are tables, chairs, menus, delicious smells, and we need to speak English to order our food correctly. Are you ready for our restaurant adventure?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Great! First, when you enter a restaurant in English, you say, "Table for two, please." Can you try it, Leo?
Table for two, please.
Excellent. That means we want a place to sit. And look, here comes the waiter. What's the first thing they will ask us?
Maybe, what would you like to drink?
That's right. Very good. The waiter usually asks about drinks first. If you want something simple, you can say, "I would like water." Try it.
I would like water.
Perfect. And I'll say, "I would like orange juice, please." Remember, adding please makes your English more polite and friendly. Now, after drinks, the waiter will ask, "Are you ready to order your food?" And what do you say, Leo?
Yes. I say, yes, I'm ready.
Very good. Now, let's look at the menu. Imagine the menu has pizza, soup, salad, chicken, and pasta. Leo, what would you like to eat?
I want pizza.
Good choice. But in a restaurant, we say it politely. I would like pizza. Can you say it that way?
I would like pizza.
Wonderful. And I'll say, I would like the chicken soup. Now, let's practice turning the menu into real conversation. Ready?
Ready.
The waiter says, "What would you like to eat?" What do you say?
I would like pizza.
Excellent. Now the waiter asks, "Would you like dessert?"
Yes! Yes! I want ice cream.
Then say, "Yes, I would like ice cream."
Yes, I would like ice cream.
Perfect. Now, let's teach our listeners a few more helpful restaurant phrases. Repeat after me. Can I have the menu, please?
Can I have the menu, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Wonderful. That means you want to pay and finish your meal. Now, let's teach the kids something really important. How to say when the food tastes good. If you like it, say, "This is delicious."
This is delicious.
Or you can say, "I like this food."
I like this food.
Great job! Now, let's imagine our food arrives. The waiter says, "Here is your pizza, and here is your soup." What do we say, Leo?
Thank you.
Exactly. Always say thank you in a restaurant. And when the waiter leaves, we look at each other and say, "Enjoy your meal."
Enjoy your meal.
Perfect. Now, we're going to practice a little restaurant role play. Kids listening at home, you can repeat with us. I'll be the waiter, and Leo will be the customer. Ready?
I'm ready. Let's play.
Waiter voice. Hello, welcome to Tiny Talk Restaurant. Table for one?
Table for two, please.
Right this way. Here are your menus. What would you like to drink?
I would like water, please.
And for your friend?
She would like orange juice.
Oh, very good, Leo. Now, are you ready to order your food?
Yes, I'm ready. I would like pizza.
And for your friend?
She would like chicken soup.
Excellent choices. Would you like dessert?
Yes, I would like ice cream.
Wonderful. Your food will be right out.
Thank you.
Bravo, Leo. That was amazing. You sounded just like a real restaurant customer.
I like this lesson, Miss Lily. It makes me feel like I'm really inside a restaurant.
That's the magic of learning with imagination. And now, let's teach our listeners some extra useful words. Repeat after me. Fork,
Fork,
knife,
knife,
spoon,
spoon,
napkin,
napkin,
plate.
plate.
Great! These are all things you will see on a restaurant table. Let's use them in sentences. Repeat. I use a fork to eat.
I use a fork to eat.
I use a spoon for soup.
I use a spoon for soup.
I use a napkin to clean my mouth.
I use a napkin to clean my mouth.
Excellent work! And now let's do a quick challenge for all our listeners. Leo, I'll say a food and you say if you would like it or not, using the phrase, I would like or I wouldn't like. Ready?
Ready.
Pizza,
I would like pizza.
broccoli soup,
I wouldn't like broccoli soup.
That's okay. Let's try another. Ice cream,
I would like ice cream.
salad.
I would like salad.
Very good. And now the last challenge. I will pretend the waiter brought us the wrong food.
Oh no.
Waiter voice, here is your fish.
Fish? I didn't order fish.
That's right. So you say politely, excuse me, I didn't order this.
Excuse me, I didn't order this.
Excellent. And then you add, I ordered pizza.
I ordered pizza.
Kids, remember this. It's a very polite way to correct a mistake in English. Now, let's imagine the end of our meal. We're full, we're happy, and we want to pay. What do we say?
Can I have the bill, please?
Very good. And then the waiter brings it and we say, "Thank you."
Thank you.
And now, Leo, what do we say when we're leaving the restaurant?
Bye. Thank you.
Perfect! Kids, you can always say, "Thank you. Have a nice day." It makes you sound polite and friendly.
Miss Lily, I loved this restaurant lesson. Can we do it again one day?
Of course, Leo. And now let's do our English rhyme of the day.
Yay!
In the restaurant, I sit and say, I order food the friendly way. Please and thank you help me speak English practice every week.
I love that.
And now, my little stars listening at home, it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, what food would you order in English? We want to hear your answers.
Yes, tell us.
And don't forget, if you enjoyed this episode, tap the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video so more kids can learn English with us.
Subscribe, like, comment.
That's right. See you next time, my shining stars.
Bye-bye.